Let's talk about you bugging out in an emergency. Okay, you grab your grail, you grab your firearm. Now you got to cook something, and you've got your mountain house ready to eat food, freeze dried. This is the Stanley Cookset. Comes with 2 cups, a pot that you can put over the fire, and a little lid with holes in it to let the steam out, and you can go like this and pour the water out. These 2 cups are pretty heavy duty, but you probably run over these things and they wouldn't break. I don't know, I'm not going to try, but it's very heavy duty. And it's light. It's stainless steel. Definitely worth carrying. You put this in your bag in a titanium spork, and a couple of packages of Mountain House and your grail, and a good cerium rod to start a fire, and you're ready to go. This is everything you need right here to cook and survive for indefinitely if you had to. It's made by Stanley, which is one of the oldest companies around for making lunch boxes and thermoses, so you know it's going to last for a while. It's well built.